Hello, today we are show you how to change your Ethereum from Trust Wallet to your PayPal. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange button. If you need help, you can contact with support in right bottom corner on the site. Enter your PayPal email where you will receive the money and email to contact you. Confirm your information. Now send Ethereum to generated Ethereum address to start the exchange to your PayPal account. After the first confirmations of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from Bolt Change to your PayPal account instantly.